In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Kyrie Relative Index, or KRI, in Robinhood Legend. First, go to Robinhood Legend and make sure you are on the main chart screen where the chart tools and indicators are available. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. In this area, look just below the Add Widget option and find the Indicators icon. This is where you can access the available indicators that can be added to your chart layout. After locating the Indicators icon, click on it to continue. Once the Indicators menu opens, click on Add Indicator to begin searching for the Kyrie Relative Index, or KRI, indicator. After selecting Add Indicator, a list of available indicators will appear on your screen. You can either scroll through the available options manually or use the search box to make the process faster. If you prefer to search directly, click on the search field and type KRI. As you type, matching indicators should appear in the results list. When you see Kyrie Relative Index, or KRI, in the list, click on it to add it to your chart. After selecting the indicator, it will automatically appear on the chart layout inside Robinhood Legend. You should now be able to see the indicator added to the active chart area. Once the indicator has been added, you can continue by adjusting its settings. Locate the settings option connected to the Kyrie Relative Index indicator and click on it. This will open the customization panel where you can change the available settings for the indicator. Inside the settings menu, you can adjust the configuration based on how you want the indicator to appear on the chart. Continue making the changes you want until the setup matches your preferred layout. After applying your adjustments, the updated settings will remain active on the chart. The Kyrie Relative Index, or KRI, indicator will continue displaying on your Robinhood Legend chart with the custom settings you selected. That is how to add Kyrie Relative Index, or KRI, in Robinhood Legend, and customize it using the settings menu.